So, for the year 2021, matching your outfit with the the polka dots have been around for the long. Lyra, oh god. Selvi di आवाज नहीं. Now, guys, talking about the nail art trends for 2021, one of the hottest trends is going to be multicolored nails. This is something that anybody can do, and here's a quick nail art using multicolored nails. You just need to use a toothpick and make these dots to create beautiful, pretty looking flowers. This is a design that can be done by anybody, even if you have never done nail art before. It can be done on short nails and long nails, and it looks so cute. Another nail art trend to totally watch out for, and once again can be done without using any tools, is denim nails. This looks so chic and so stylish, and it's actually super easy to create. You just need a bunch of different shades of blue nail polishes and also a white nail polish. If you have any old nail polishes, you can actually use that very easily. I'm going to start off with a dark shade of blue and then gradually build it up by smearing across in a very haphazard random pattern, creating these messy strokes with the other colors. You have to repeat this and layer your colors on top of each other, and of course for this you can use some dried nail polishes. They actually work really well. Seal everything with a top coat, or like most of us call it, transparent nail polish, and this will give you a beautiful denim nail art design. Of course, the colors I've used here are blue. If you want to create a similar pattern using different colors, you can do that as well. And guys, when it comes to nail art, bling is always in fashion. And here's a very interesting take on how to create blingy nails in a very different way. All you have to do is to cut out little pieces of foil. So you can use an old wrapping paper, you can use aluminum foil, and simply stick it on your nail polish when it is still wet. So you need to place it on wet nail polish. This will help things stick really well. Make sure to seal everything with a top coat. Using a top coat is a very good way of ensuring that your glitter foil does not wash off or fall off. Another cool way of creating bling nails is to take a velvet paper. You might have actually scraped off the velvet from the velvet paper in your art class. Mix it with a little bit of glitter if you want, and then apply this on wet nail polish. Apply it nice and good and just take off all the excess, and here you have it, your beautiful velvet bling nails. The only problem with this velvet nail design is that because you can't seal it with a top coat, it will actually wash off very easily. This nail art typically does not last for more than 1.5 days, so it's usually more recommended when you just want to wear it for one evening. The other nail art designs, of course, can be worn for days or for a really long time. Another nail art trend to totally watch out for is to match your nails with your accessories. Ideally, these accessories can be your handbags, can be your belts, can also be a bindi. So you can simply take your bindi and stick that to your nails. Here are two nail art designs that I have created inspired by my handbags. So first is caviar nails, and by the way, I'm not using actual fish eggs. These are metal caviars designed for art and craft purposes. So you just sprinkle them on wet nail polish and once again seal everything with a top coat. This looks super blingy, super stylish, and it is so chic. Another nail art trend to totally watch out for are animal prints. So you can actually use animal prints in so many ways. First is this giraffe pattern, which by the way was inspired by a handbag which I have. Let me just show this to you. So first I apply a glitter nail polish and then using acrylic paint. Yes guys, I'm just using acrylic paint and creating this pattern on my nails. After using acrylic paint, make sure that you absolutely seal it with 2 to 3 layers of top coat or transparent nail polish like we call it. So when you do that, the acrylic paint does not wash off when you wash your hands in water. It actually starts behaving like a nail polish because it is totally sealed inside. Using acrylic paint for nail art has so many benefits guys, because number one, when you use that, you actually get better grip and you can make more designs. You can actually create so many beautiful designs using acrylic paint. Nail polish tends to be thicker in consistency, so it's much harder to work with. So if you have never done nail art before, start using acrylic paint, poster colors, watercolors, and just seal it with a top coat, and there you have it, a great nail art hack which you can totally use this year. Another cute yet very classy nail art design is creating this zebra pattern. You can actually do so many things with zebra pattern. Here's a really cool French manicure style. So as you can see, I've already done my French manicure, and once again using acrylic paint, I am just drawing these lines. The best thing about these lines is that you can be a little messy with them, you can be a little haphazard with them, and they will still look really stylish. I'm also going to add a coat of glitter. Of course, this is optional, and most importantly, very importantly, seal everything with a top coat. This nail art looks so nice. It looks so expensive. It looks so classy. And the best thing about this nail art is that, it also looks very difficult to create, but honestly, once you try it out, you'll realize that creating these zebra stripes is actually easier than applying nail polish in itself. And of course, guys, when it comes to nail polishes, there are two colors, two shades that you must absolutely watch out for. One is mirror nail polish. If you have never tried mirror nail polishes, guys, try it out. They have been trending for a long time, and they're going to continue trending for a long time because they just look so amazing. Do you see on this mirror nail polish? You can even see the reflection of the fan on the ceiling. So yes, it looks really good. Whenever you're using mirror nail polish, guys, just make sure that you seal it with a top coat. I know I'm saying this again and again, but with mirror nail polish it is so important, because sealing it with the top coat is what is going to give you that special shine which makes it different from the metallic nail polishes. So use a top coat, it looks really nice. Another nail art color which is definitely trending this season is nude nail colors. It looks very classy, very elegant, and there are some very easy ways to create some expensive looking designs. For example, look at this one. I've just applied some nude color nail polish and just taking a striping brush, or you can use an eyeliner as well if you want. Just create a stripe like this on the side. Once again, seal it with a top coat and you're totally done. Here's a quick tip: if you're using a striping brush, or if you're just using your eyeliner brush for the first time, talking about eyeliner brushes, here's a quick recommendation. You can get one of those Lakme eyeliners, the ones that come in the bottle. I'll put the link in the description box below. Those are very good for creating nail art. It just works really well. Plus, it is super affordable. So whenever you're using a striping brush or an eyeliner brush, instead of holding it straight like this, hold it flat like this. Let me just show you the shot again. I'm holding it flat like this and then just pulling it through. This gives you a clean straight line and it looks so beautiful. Best thing about using an eyeliner for nail art is that if you end up going wrong with your lines, you can just go quickly wash your hand and start all over again, instead of having to remove everything with a nail polish remover. Because like we know, it's an eyeliner, so it washes off easily until unless you have sealed it with a top coat. So don't do that until unless you have got your design right. I said that, guys, stripes are definitely going to be in fashion. So here's another striped nail art which can be done by those people who are not feeling very confident about how good their stripes will come out to be. This once again looks a little haphazard, but it actually looks very creative at the same time. Once again, this is a nail art that can be done on short nails as well. However, if you are feeling confident about your striping skills, here's a really cool nail art that you can try out. You can either do it using black and white stripes, or you can simply create black stripes on white nails. Either ways, this is a very stylish looking design because it just pops out so well. And when you just hold your nails like this, nobody is going to not notice it because it just looks so good. Here's a quick tip: if you want to do striping nails, guys, whenever you choose your colors, choose contrasting colors. Okay, so don't use like pastel pink and pastel green, because when you actually create stripes with that, it will not come out that prominently. On the other hand, the colors which I use, right, black and white, they will obviously strike out really well. And talking about patterns with contrasting colors, here's another trend that you can totally watch out for. This once again is a nail art which can be done totally without using any tools. You just have to apply your nail polishes on top of each other, layering them up like this. The idea is to just be really slow with your nail polish application so that you can actually get this kind of a look. This nail art looks very stylish, and honestly, for anybody who has never done this kind of a nail art before, this will also look really complicated. But as you can see, the technique, it's actually very easy, and especially great if you have long and wide nails. You can do this very well. The year 2021 is also going to see a lot of people going back to their schools, colleges. So the back to school / back to college nail art designs are going to be very big this season. Here's a really cool nail art design that you can try out on your first day back to your college. For this, I'm just using white base coat, and then on top of this, draw stripes like shown. So you have to be a little patient here, but honestly, like I just told you, drawing stripes is very easy as long as you hold a striping brush flat. If you don't have a striping brush, I just share some links in the description box below. You can totally check them out. So as you can see, this is starting to resemble a notebook on which you can literally write anything that you want. So you can write random letters, random numbers, you can create random patterns, anything that you feel like doing, because of course it's your nails and you have to wear your style. This looks so cute and once again so professionally done, although it is super easy to create. Just make sure that when you're writing your patterns and when you're creating all these things, use more poster colors, more acrylic colors instead of nail polish, because that will just make things very easy to handle, and of course you can wash things off if things go wrong. Seal everything with a top coat and you're totally sorted. And last but not the least, while talking about nail art trends for 2021, how can we not talk about polka dots? So polka dots can be done using, like I just showed you, toothpick. You can use a stem of a flower. You can literally use anything that you want. Just create small dots like this in lines, and there you have it, a beautiful polka dotted nail art design just like that. You can of course use any color combination that you want. Here's another polka dotted nail art design which is completely random. You really don't even have to plan this ahead. Just go ahead, use your random colors, and there you have it, a beautiful polka dotted nail art design. However, if you want to make it a little bit more intricate, a little bit more professional looking, here's a really cool polka dotted nail art design. For this, use the front edge of your toothpick because your dots need to be really tiny. I am using acrylic colors here because of course, like I just said, they are easier to work with. And I'm creating these polka dotted circles overlapping each other and this random pattern. This pattern is actually very easy to create, but yes, it is more time consuming than most of the nail art designs shown today. But do you see how beautiful this looks, guys? Once you're done with the styling, with the designing, it looks really good. So guys, these were some of the nail art trends predicted for the year 2021. Super easy to create, great fun to do with your girlfriends when you're having a slumber party. Try them out, and once you try them out, don't forget to share your pictures with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is superwowstyle. Go ahead, check it out. I'll link it down in the description box below. Share your nail art creations, guys. I would love to repost them on my page and just share the love. Also, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Wow Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.